Hi, today we're going to cover two reporting features that came out with the latest release of Acumatica. The first will be export of generic inquiry parameters to Excel, and the second will be inline pivot tables. So to go to the first feature of the export of generic inquiry parameters to Excel, we're going to use a dashboard for a warehouse manager. We're going to drill down into this widget for orders to ship. Go to this sub tab filtered for late orders and simply export it. And what's new is the second worksheet here. So this first worksheet, labeled data, has the results of the generic inquiry. The second worksheet has the parameters, so the title of the generic inquiry, company, date, time stamp, the save filter. So this is really beneficial for helping receivers of these generic inquiry results understand the source of the information, especially if they're getting these spreadsheets emailed to them, placed onto a shared drive, or so forth. So this is one of the features that came out in 2018 R2, is that export of generic inquiry parameters to Excel. Second we'll look at is inline pivot tables. And to look at that, we're going to open up another dashboard. That's the customer view. We'll drill down on this widget, items purchased last 12 months. We'll go to this last sub-tab, invoiced items pivot. So here we have a pivot table. We see item class and inventory on the rows, and then quarters up at the top here. To edit this, we can click the gear icon, and we can work on this just as we do similarly in Excel with pivot tables. So in this case, what I'll do, I'll take the item class out of the results, and we'll just have one line per inventory ID. And to see the results of that, we simply click the gear icon again. And now we see one line per inventory ID, the results on a quarterly basis without the item class. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you very much for your time.